MEI stock analysis and Methode Electronics stock prediction. In this 1-minute video, I'm breaking down my exact play and all that good stuff. Now, especially just looking at Methode Electronics, however you want to pronounce it, 25% correction is not small whatsoever. It's a not small amount. And genuinely speaking, man, this is just, if I look at it from a broader picture, this is nothing but a bearish market. Now, don't get me wrong, I get it. It started to pick up, but it failed hard to break above the highs of the 11 bucks. And honestly, for me to be bullish, that's the main goal. I mean, the price, if it breaks above there, or second, if there's like a big catalyst for sure, then it could be bullish. But now, since it's breaking, I can roll with the bearish side for sure, but only if the rules are met. And if not, there's far better opportunities that have the rules met, and I would better stick with those. So this might be on the ignore. Not ignore, but more so just not trading on the wait. And MEI, I don't have that much results, but there is some decent results. Now, if you want my exact play and all that good jazz, just click the first link in the description. 1,200 people have already gotten enrolled, and I'll see you in the next one.